Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. How are you today? Meet again with Use Group 1 who will introduce your newest product, Lanting Intan. Where Lanting Intan is a snack to company the death of friend. Introduce me Arso Muklis. You can call me Arso. I will explain where this product is product and if friend want to visit or buy this product directly on the spot. This company is managed at home with the address RT2 RW3 Plarangan Village, Karangan District, Kebumen Regency, Central Java, Indonesia. And then it will be continue, my friend.
Hello guys, my name is Ainun Makiatul Muslimah. You can call me Ainun. The history of Lanting comes from an area in the Karanganyar district, to be precise, namely the village of Plarangan. This village is said to have been the first to introduce Lanting. The village, which is the center of craftsmen, Eventag is originally from this village. Currently, the small Lanting industry continues to grow and is spread across a number of sub-districts. There are at least 12 sub-districts in Kebumen that have a Lanting manufacturing industry. This small Lanting industry has also become a sort of economy for the surrounding community. Maybe that's where the creation of this Lanting food street.
Hi friend, introduce myself. My name is Della Savitri. You can call me Della. I will here to describe the vision and mission of Lanting as diet snack. The main vision of this Lanting processing is making Lanting a new variant as the #1 diet food pioneer in Kebumen, planning and becoming a healthy snack as a habit of healthy eating patterns for customers in particular and society in general. Next, I will explain about the mission of this Lanting processing, namely 1. Make someone to adopt a healthy lifestyle starting from the snack. 2. Ensure cleanliness and nutritional value content in this Lanting variant.
Hello guys, introduce myself. My name is Rizky Dia Rahmawati. You can call me Dia. I will explain about the ingredients and all for Lanting Intan. Lanting is a food made from cassava as one of the typical snack of Kebumen. With ingredient cassava, garlic, coriander, salt, coloring if you like, and food flavorings as matcha, cheese, chocolate, spicy, and barbecue. Tool, mailing machine, pan, furnace or stove, oven, and basin. And producer take quality cassava from Kebumen farmers, which are then processed with quality ingredients. With a process without oil, namely with a roasting process, because it is a healthy diet snack.
Hello everybody, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Satrul. You can call me Saddam. In this session, I will explain about process production of lanting intan. Process production of lanting intan consists of 6 steps. First step is peel the cassava, then clean from dirty and soak for 1 hour. Next, step 2, steam the cassava for about 1 hour. Then, remove and grind. Combine the mashed cassava with lanting spice, then stir until smooth. Next, shape into number 8 or round. Next, drain the lanting in the sun until it dries. Last step, bake the lanting until they are good. Lanting intan is a healthy snack because we process it by baking. Okay, thank you. Next.
Hello, my friend. In the session, I am Sasmita Dewi. I will explain about the packaging that we ask, namely the standing pouch. Standing pouch is a type of packaging that is currently still popular as an alternative to snack product packaging. Aside from buying a container for storing snacks, it turns out that the standing pouch has an interesting and unique shape. One of the advantages of using a standing pouch is that it makes it as to organize product but on the display case and on the display table. Standing pouch packaging also various advantages such as zipper at the top, which is a packaging cover with a zipper so that the food product inside are safer and guarding quality. Okay, next.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Siti Maratu Soliha. Friends, do you know about the benefits of lanting intan? Here are some of the use and benefits of the importance of cassava lanting snacks for the body as processed from various sources, namely, first, alternative. Cassava lanting snack high in carbohydrates or sugars consumed between lunch and dinner can be used as an alternative source of energy that the body needs when doing strenuous physical activities. However, for those who have physical activity that is not too heavy, consumption of snack high in sugar or carbohydrates has the potential to increase the risk of obesity or overweight. Next, mention hormonal balance. The body's hormonal balance can be disturbed if the glucose reserves in the liver from food intake in the morning and afternoon are used up for activities on the day. The cassava lanting snack is useful for rebalancing the body's natural hormonal condition. Third, control diabetes. For people with diabetes, a sudden drop in sugar levels in the body can also harm health problems such as dizziness, body shaking or tremors, and hypnea or shortness of breath. To raise blood sugar levels again, healthy snacks with certain carbohydrates are needed. Dietary fiber, so the health of the digestive organs is maintained. That's all for me. Next.
Hello guys, introduce myself. My name is Trimarkiadeni. You can call me Tri. I will continue the next part, which is product price. Price and reason. Lanting price per pack wax 2 ounce for all flavors as piece is 10,000. But the price of lanting per kilogram is 5 kilograms with the price and tasty that is matcha flavor 115,000, cheese flavor 113,000, chocolate flavor 114,000, spicy tasty 113,000, and barbecue flavor in 113,000. Reason: the price is quite affordable because we use cassava with good and healthy ingredients and use hygienic packaging with calculation of nutritional value and also natural spices that are healthy and of high quality, so we set the right price. With this price, it is very suitable for the materials we use because they are natural and of high quality.
Hi guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Inka Nanda Agustina and you can call me Inka. You can get the landing intent on the marketplace, Shopee, Lazada, Tokopedia, and other social media such as WhatsApp and Instagram. Customer can buy product with a wide selection of flour. Landing intent has a different taste with the available flour. With good quality and taste, you can get it at an affordable price. Landing intent is a healthy snack to help the diet program. Thank you.
Hey guys, let me introduce myself. My nama is Wahyu Hidayah. You can call me Hida. I will explain about the reason for making Lanting Intan product. Because Lanting Intan is snack from Kebumen, which has a lot of demand, including you people. The innovation of the Lanting who are on diet. Snacks are liked by many people. It is served for many purposes, carbohydrate and healthy. Thank you, friend. Has fattening resultation. We hopefully pride interested by product. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.